How to call record in iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss whether or not we can record calls on iPhone. Now there are two types of calls, right? One is online call, the other is offline call. So online call means you call from WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, using any social media app. Offline call means you call them using a mobile balance right here using the phone app. So normally iPhones does not have a built-in call recorder, neither does any third-party app supports it. So even if you go to your App Store and type in call recorder, there will not be any app that gives you for free to actually go ahead and then save it. While there are some paid services that you can use, I would recommend that you get and review a paid one here and then only record a call. The free ones does not have such option. Now normally what you can do is, if you're calling someone from WhatsApp or Messenger, you can record those calls by screen recording your device. So you can simply turn on screen recording and then turn on this microphone option. If you don't turn on this microphone option, it will not record what you're speaking. So you want to make sure to turn this on, start the recording, and when you start the recording you can go ahead and then place that call. So unfortunately this works only on the social media calls but not on the phone app calls. So until today we don't have any solution for the offline calls. Apple has not yet added them, so maybe it is due to security reasons in the US and so on. But I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.